Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Use a 4mm hex key to unscrew the screws, fixing the upper water cup decorative shell. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the bottom water cup decorative shell. Remove the water cup decorative shell. Use a 4mm hex key to unscrew the 2 screws that fix the speaker. Remove the speaker. Disconnect the speaker terminal. Align the raised part with the notch and insert the terminal. Install the speaker with the wiring harness facing down. Tighten the 2 screws that secure the speaker. Arrange the wiring harness terminals. Install the water cup decorative shell. Tighten the 2 upper fixing screws. Tighten the 2 bottom fixing screws. Install the battery.